Hello and welcome to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. Now in today's session I am going to talk about Kubernetes interview question and answer which is provided by hadoopexam.com. So how can you access that? Let's go to Hadoop Exam website and I'll show you the process. So you would be going to Hadoop Exam website. So just type in browser hadoopexam.com and then go here and click on the Kubernetes. So this is our first product about the Kubernetes we have launched, and that is for Kubernetes developer interview question and answers as of now. We are preparing much more material about the Kubernetes, but you can start from here if you have a subscription and if you want to take subscription from hadoopexam.com. So currently we are providing 112 interview question and answer for Kubernetes developer basically, and you can just click on this and this would launch another page where you can see how to access this, correct? So let me go on the sample paper first for interview question and answer, then I'll explain more about Kubernetes, and from there we can go further. So sample question, you click on this and it would launch another window in which you would see all the question and answers in this format. Even you can search your question if you want to search for any specific term for Kubernetes, correct? So you just click on this one question and you can read about this. Like this is a plain question and answer, like kind of thing for any technology if you are reading from Hadoop Exam. So you just click on this or you use next button and kind of thing. Even the best thing, this you can access from your mobile, tablet and desktop anywhere, correct? So but I would recommend always use the this Chrome browser for this accessing this material. We are highly dependent on Google based account, and we, if you have a permission to log in and kind of the system, we are completely using currently on Google based authentication. So you should be part of like using the Chrome browser, which is more compatible, correct? Now this is the question and answer. If you want to access all 112 questions, then you have to click here basically, correct? If you click here, so it would, if you have, now it would go and check if you have a permission to access this material or not. So this would take some time. It would take like it would do the authentication in behind this scene, correct? So now you can see all 112 question and answers are accessible to you to read basically, correct? So this is what we have Kubernetes question and answers here, correct? So Kubernetes is very popular technology nowadays, like when I would say like this is for the orchestration of your containers. This is a framework, so don't confuse with Docker and Kubernetes. Both are different thing basically. Docker is your container, and to orchestrate the container or to manage those containers you use the Kubernetes framework. So that is the two difference. The Docker is very popular container based solution, so that's where people like at 90% cases they are using Docker and Kubernetes combination, correct? But as on when things are moving the another companies are coming up with their own container and kind of thing and reduce the dependency on the Docker. So that's what they are planning to do. So you should keep in mind both are the different things. So and you need to know various terminology if you are going for Kubernetes interview question and answer. So especially you should know the what is control plane, what are the nodes, pods, replica sets, services, volumes, namespace, config, etc, correct? Even we have provided the detail about this what all is on this page itself, correct? You go below, you can see like all the detail about this as well, correct? So these are sample interview question and answer which is you see in the sample paper as well, correct? So these are listed here, and the things which I am talking about this terminology you can see here. This is like here, these are the features and kind of thing, correct? Sorry, I missed something here. So it should not be here. This is on home page, I believe. So if you go on home page, this is the concepts about this control plane, nodes and ports, replica sets, services. This is all concept you should know in detail, correct? So these are the basic concepts which you should know about the Kubernetes. But I would highly recommend you go for the question and answers which we provide for this certification preparation material. Sorry, not for certification, this for your real-time interview preparation, correct? Now next thing I wanted to say, like in future, like in few or couple of weeks, we are going to come up with another innovative product that is like audio based interview question and answer. And what that means, like, you can listen this question and answer whenever you want, basically, to so the reason is, like, you may not be always looking at the screen, correct, and to learn the stuff. You would be driving car, you are in train, you are in bus, you are traveling, and you are going your office, kind of thing. Or you don't want to look at the screen all the time to save your eyes. So, like, you can use the this audio based interview question and answer as well. So we are soon going to come up. Right now it's not available, but we should be soon coming up with that solution as well. And once you have subscription for that, you would be able to access those question and answers that audio based as well. We are also going to come up with audio book, which, like, I know this is programming technology, correct, and audio may not 100% work, but in 60 to 70% things there are concepts as well, correct, always. So wherever the concepts comes into the picture, their audiobook can certainly going to help you to learn things. And what I would highly recommend, like, you go and use those audiobook, because you don't want to look at the screen all the time. This is like now world, like, you see, like, we are already on the mobile screen all the time, and this is like harmful for our eyes. So we want to reduce our like what I say, screen, basically, or looking at the screen as much as possible. Because if you see, if you are software engineers, already you are all the time spending in office on the screen, then you come at home, you look at the mobile screen. Now we are coming up, like, just lot of web series, Netflix, many things are coming, correct. So all the time we are on a screen. We should start reducing our time on the screen as well. And you can, like, start using the audiobook as well. That would help you to like, save your eyes, as well as, like, whenever you like want to listen those stuff, you can listen. So this is what we are planning to come up, and I hope that would be successful, and that would help you guys to learn more from those audiobooks as well, correct. So this is software industry screen. Most of the time we need it, but for learning, at least we can use the audio stuff as well. So let's see how that stuff going to work in future. So, well, we are planning to come up, but I'm just giving you the information as part of this video if you're listening this or watching this video. So thanks, and I hope this material which we are trying to provide would help you to grow in your career. Thank you. I'm stopping now.